Hey guys, for today we are going to be unboxing the new MacBook Air 2020. This was released last March and it starts at $999, but here in the Philippines it costs 57,990 pesos. There is also an education discount, so you can get it for 51,990 pesos or $899. This is what the box looks like. It has the classic Apple design and it looks the same as before. This MacBook Air is in space gray and the other colors that you can choose from are gold and silver. It is honestly so satisfying to remove the plastic, and the MacBook also smells really good and fresh, which is kind of weird to say. Now let's see what else is inside the box. So inside the box you will find stickers, and the color of the stickers depends on the color of your MacBook, so in this case it is in space gray. There is also a USB-C cable included inside the box and also a USB-C power adapter. It weighs 1.29 kilograms or 2.8 pounds, and as you can see it's not too thick and it also still has the wedge design. When you open it, it will automatically turn on so you can immediately start setting up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It has a 13.3-inch LED backlit display with IPS technology and a dual-core 10th generation 1.1 GHz Intel Core i3 processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. You can also choose to upgrade it to an i5 or i7 processor and up to 2 TB of storage. What I like about this is that it has 25% more volume and 2 times more bass. You can also see that there are speakers on both sides. There is a Touch ID sensor too, so that you can easily unlock your Mac. The trackpad is also 20% larger, which I really like. This MacBook Air has the new Magic Keyboard with scissor mechanism and with 1mm of travel, which feels much nicer compared to the butterfly keyboard of previous models. And yes, I am just reading this information from the Apple website since I'm not an expert at this. So now I am going to try to charge it. This MacBook is perfect for students, but if you're someone who does heavy photo or video editing, then a MacBook Pro might be a better option for you. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you want to know more about the MacBook Air 2020, then just visit Apple's website. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!